A new movement has just emerged in Ghana, and its mission is clear: to protect the borders of Ghana and stop foreign infiltration. But now a bigger question is already shaking the internet: that is this really about national security, or is this Ghana's silent response to what happened in South Africa?
South Africa. So the AC was South Africa no. And so anamoshe anamosumo babe we e Ghana ha no mana.
We even started this movement and South Africa for the
The group was launched in Accra with the name Concerned Youth Alliance, and their first peaceful walk starts on 25th April 2025. So early, so swift.
The 25th of April 2026, a peaceful walk.
In this video, we break down exactly what this group or association is about. In this video, we find their true intent. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share the video. And when you want to send money back to Africa, don't forget to use Lemfi. Lemfi is 100% free without charges. It even gets better when you use the code KwekuAfrica. You get £20 for free when you sign up with the name KwekuAfrica. Now let's get into the video.
Guys, if you've enjoyed this video so far, please do me a huge favor and hit the like button and subscribe. These videos take quite a long time to make, so if you could help me out, I'll love you forever. Thank you all for your support. Now let's get back to this crazy story.
Across Africa, tensions are rising, migration is increasing, and economies are under pressure. And in places like South Africa, frustration has already turned it into violence. Foreign nationals, specifically Africans, have been targeted, including reports of some Ghanaians facing attacks. And after this incident of Patriotic Alliance interrogating a Ghanaian harshly, and the video went into circulation, back in Ghana, something new is forming. A new movement which is also focused in one thing: protecting Ghana's borders. Now, this is where we're going to operate just like Operation Dudula. So let's call them Operation Dudula in Ghana. But in Ghana, their real name is Concerned Youth Alliance. Now, they are not just talking, but they are organizing.
Concerned Youth Alliance. Ghana for yewa manoni any Ghana. Youth for yehu enso ejina yehu so. Na nyama bi koso wo ye man no ma ye pese ye twen ye nkrofo adwen esiso a ye mpanyimfo ye aban ye nananom adwen esiso eden eko ye nuanom nso etukwan akwamanone na sesi ano ya ho sa hoho no o ma beji ye krata ye passport no edi di dwumabone ema omudin ese wa manone enka no mo se emo amukọ ho no mo se wo kasa wo ye Ghanani a ebuo won ho pa ba se si ade enti sabium chi se nipa no ben na obisa se wo firi kuro ben so esin se ye nuanom obinum a ye ne omo nyina Africa ha edi ensemboni edi hye Ghana fo no enti ye ka kire ya man se omo nhye ye passport asem emman passport no ye for Ghanaians awo enka ho na abawo ka nwura se efa emra kwan so na omunhye ho mayen na ekoso biom ne se ye hwe ye man mo sisi a akonkuma doso ene obeti ye se ye kun we atoa ochina yi we akoa enkola yira ye kun bi to classroom. In fact, Emma ehu abakronu. Enti Concerned Youth Alliance say ye twi empanyimfo adwen asisu. na omuma eban bom enye din ewo ye kuro no so afei so police for ye adwuma pa enso awowo na be frae no oma kire se timamufo no yemfa yetu emra timamufo na de mra so de tu ko but time bia obeti bia na police for akọchi nkrofo no masi se tu bebre ye hu bebia efi na omudi omukọ nso a otumi hu se omunyina ya awowo na ye yatinya ma ekoso amamman binum so ye ntumi mbo aman bia din but wa unim bebia ye ka asem no enti no sanyama no ye pese bi beba ye kurom ha enti Concerned Youth Alliance say omunhye na omumbo ban wo hu na ba ku bi a esi ye kura ehu VIP ye nyina nim se ye fa VIP edi tu kwan enso police fa ko chief VIP bullets wo mu kwan ye 1,000 and over e she bus no omode ko he Ghana mem omode ko ye den enti sanyama we num nyina ha adwen police for ye omode but kwan to me nye nti Ghana Youth aye Concerned Youth as Alliance say ye be boa police for no na ya tie man no afenso ye borders no say ya te say ye mampanyin say free visa yesre no free visa no ablako abekire mu but enye yende ye panichew omunhye na omunsiesie na omunhye ye borders no so emmayen because na no say yen maamin binum koto jenne tomatoes ni jenne nu nsem bebresi e maamin binum kura koto tomatoes omo amma omo ya abatan omo magu fie mi kope bibia aba hwe ne esiye nti say enyina ye boye hu ban wo ye borders ni so a anka wenum nyina ensi na no jenne fo ehonum say omo nya tuo wo hi market ye ntontuo nso etuo kasa wo market ho ene wo koye market a wo na ji market no enye kuro baako China fo musimu di munyama banka mu di be ma wholesale ene o muton no baako o say ye dwa no enye o nkwa Lebanese fo ye bi Turkey fo ye bi nti awo no ji e man na fa na ye kan say ye ban ene mra se bedwafo se mo hwe na emra no mu agudodo a mun tight mra no man mun po ye hu ban ye maame no mu su ojem ene ntos eyi be ko jene mali fo nyina ton jene ni beyi ya honti ye maame no mu su eno na mo su ye de bo a mo kunum ehwe nkola wo fie nti e ba ne sa na adwen nti ye sre ye mampanyin na no obeka bibi na ye mi de pa ni obeka ni se ye kasa ote nti so ye kasa ote dia ne ye kan ye nim se otie ahobrase mu ye nya political party yes no ye yufa asem haye nti ontie na so pemu man na afenso no ye market no omunhye ahoho no yes rawo mu betu munyama 90 days mu go back mu betu mi asan de munyama aba 90 days ni ye sure say utna na ye ton ade a ubenya kakra de akọ ejira san ko fe bia but ubeji time 50 years 20 years no abetna ebi kura se wasihini na ebi esihini ma ye ahimfu na ewa hanu obakun ni ahimfu all the 16 regions and so here we saw ahimfu all the 16 regions adwen obi manso ahimfu bia wo bebia odi ne hine wo ena owo na konya ena owo na sase na wo fre hin owo enti no ye sre ye mampanyin ne ye mrach se bedwafo se omunhyenka mai na ya himfu so ye bam so yufu no se ye nkankyere mu se asase na muton ma ahowofo no omu betena hi ene ukọ kaja no ya bobu omu dan nyina wo hwe se de ankrofo nyamegu abonten a adwen nti ye sre mu ya himfu muso munhye na munye ne munye baako yesi prayer wo ho yi baako a ena ebu but mu kan bomu a oni enti enkranfo ka asem bi se ka bobu ehebu ni floor ba here kolo fe kolo nye kotie nti nia concerned youth ye kan ye da mo ase.
Now, the group is reportedly linked to a growing public concern over illegal migration, and they are pushing for stricter enforcement and stronger control in Ghana. Now, during the launch, the group revealed that they are working alongside institutions like the Ghana Immigration Service, meaning they won't overtake the Ghana Immigration Service. They won't go out asking people for documentation like what is happening in South Africa. But for them, they will work in conjunction with South Africa. But as to how they will do that, let's listen to them. Now, their message is clear that Ghana must protect its sovereignty. But here's where things are getting controversial. People are asking that, why now? Why wait until when a Ghanaian man is being interrogated in South Africa, the video goes viral, and then you decide to form this association or this movement? Why haven't you formed it all along? And others are asking that, is it just a coincidence or a calculated response?
Pepacho, the ebusa kakra ewo ho ene se ye nyina enim de ekoso ewo South Africa. So the AC was South Africa no. Enu so ana mohwe ana mo so mo ba be we ewo Ghana ha no ma na mo de no so enchiribu pa Ghana fo ni wiase nyina echi mo no ene se
Enya Ghana
okay.
So we share the South Africa peace or demonstration. Enya demonstration and our movement no na ye independent. So we even started this movement. And sana South Africa from the year. So back last year the one issue we went forward last. This citizens arrest issue.
Yeah.
It's a idea that we have already been planning. But one important thing is that there is a lot of similarities. The same also the same thing also South Africa. But it's just maybe almost style different, but yeah, they kind. We started already. So what I said, it is not say because no, we started from citizens arrest. And yeah, idea because to be honest with you, if you look at Ghana today, this is not a Ghana we knew. This is not a Ghana we knew. And every time things is changing. If say you are financing for this is the time. So what I said, yeah.
And we na ye yensu enye say sorry ya na eba be ye work no ye ni police forwarding kita ho pray bebre enti omu eka ye ho achina no omu ka ye ho a ye be kọ work no na emom say obi kọ ye na kola boni dia on the onu ani jejeje but ye kọ peace work.
Because since the story broke out, there's been a number of Ghanaians who are calling for an eye to an eye, a tooth for a tooth. But then the government has stated that Ghana will not go that route. Ghana will not make South Africans in Ghana uncomfortable. Rather, we will seek a peaceful talk and a peaceful resolution. But some Ghanaians believe that this is necessary. Some believe this is a necessary step to protect the country before things get out of control. Others are also asking a deeper question that, are African nations slowly turning against each other? Because today, it's border control. Tomorrow, what does it become? Another Operation Dudula or another patriotic alliance?
Thank you.
Me didn't matter monotechi. Beto ade o Lawrence Park. Me ko yi nyama no kantamanto. Na ma beto no Lawrence Park. Me ni fa kwa me nam Accra bebia me gina ton ma de. But ade papa me di me ni ato for me ho say. Awo wona beje marketplaces afa. Kantamanto na Accra na e bebia Ghana for edididi. Say na wo be occupy that places nyina. They say Ghana ni ton no. Eno no wo so ton. Bebia yi ko yi nyama no. Omo so mo twa bill ni bi wo ho. E wo Kantamanto. And almost so much on Yama, and you want more crop for Yagana for, or more crop for Elikita, say pants, say say trouser, she top a dear Ghana for ton, and almost so much to be Wakatamato, no more ton. A ya depia, a yard ya okun be amaya or marketplaces or as I say, Uba Ghana. Yes, as long as I'm or who were a full chrome and my retail. Nemo baby investment, not Ghana Nibia, you do my idea. Fine, Nemo baby, a year Ghana, but you didn't know. And one I want to edify, near the young become and the Ghana for the pound which them. And in the year, many have some cafe. As I said, so few chrome, now baby sit table or pound, I thought they are Ghana need tongue. And the year become which them. Ebe bi ase na o meka se mo na mo kita ekroni maye o mo na mo ye se nemo bojo Bojo there was the president mama. Yes, son of Boni ni de kwaso. Oka wasa maye. Esa se Bojo ye Ghana ni adwuma wo so ye didi. And they be share a day ya no ye wo. As a day ye adwuma ye, obi a wako pension. And I say mami peni bi wa wa ye adwuma bre no. And no e kakra tradition na no. And they be share wo no. O ma ti sanyema nyina fa. And then Brazil for Lebanese for any chance fie mu be free Ghana for na sanyema we o mi ba o se Ghana ni abiesho ana se Ghana ni akoti loan ton na de abra o tuton Sanchez ni microwave sanyema nyina Ghana ni ton na so wo be fi ni ko ma ship sanyema ni bi apa afa ni kro mu fo ni bi abeku mu ni na ma fie mu ton na sa Ghana ni na o ton sanyema no won e bo to sanyema ni na ma no and the Ghana ye live to Europe ye nyamba boy dey ye light boy dey bibia boy dey ye di bandi wo bojo so ndi bojo na ye wo di wakoto nyama na to bi anto a wan e be ba ko wo be nyesi kai na wo di asho ana wo yire na wo ma enti ye be pese ye straight government say sanye mo nyina o ye bibi fa ho e na office le to so mienu am4 afa particular bi so sika bi afi na chira form and then go board from board to UTFS UTC one now the phone na moto ade no ye face challenges one ye ni Nigeria for oba obehye ni dwa obisa na wose ono so kwaje place wo ene ye nana no ni face ye mama no ena to ade obi wo kwa to ade for 25 years ni Nigeria ni banda also obehye wo na ene dia wo be to ade because wa kochi anwoka iti ye pese ye kacha aban so ye bibi fa wo mai sa bibi sa place na ade to ade ni dia ye Ghana for ye dia ye dia ye pese ye dia ni obi benya problem with so because Ghana for ye ni suban and I said ni ko owo okan ni bre bebe edu ni dia wo ye ti manu adwane fi ni menu mu dia I was said me sorry na me fight na me dia ye me dia ko ni ye dia bojo na ye dia ejuma bojo na ye didi bojo na ye di hwe ma school bojo na ye di bia and obi university there na so ni aduma ni a katobanto no ba na wa ba be ye di kakra no dia and the almost the same places ni nafa ye pese e kache government say any dey yesra no onye bibi fa ho pa because e be pepe so edu ni dey to so miansa Ghana ni be sa sefa no akotogo so kwa nyoma wakotogo kwa nyoma na togo for ya asa de nyama ni bia fitogo no bla be kumu akra no moto ni cheap price iti Ghana ni na wasa sefa na akotogo na kwa nyoma one e be to amani iti I say Ghana no obi aba obeso be Ghana for no kweta say mira no ya tiada mira na tiada enye dumenti what you say iti ye pese ye pay ni for ni fossil no immigrant for no so omo ba be rito omo fi ama mai so ye si be tuna kama Ghana ni mo be ye bodua biso ma sam kakra meka dia
o hwa tire na Acts chapter 16 Bible say onye ko ba mo obi agro ene ni boundary a o da ma ye say ye ntrem ini say ye do ma hwe nsem set na so a o so bo ma no ban se ko bi emba kro no ma be say o ma no fama ho me dem how ye penny for no emra no e wo se emra no e wo bibi biala o mo ba brochire e ko ji low e de badan na o mo hwe emra o mo di bu o mo mai so o mo bu o Ghana.
Now, in my own opinion, I think that every country has the right to protect its borders, but Africa has always stood for something bigger, which is unity. So where is the line between protection and division? A Ghanaian is being attacked abroad in South Africa, and a new movement is rising at home. Two events, one continent. And the real question is, what direction is Africa headed? Now, after watching the videos and listening to them, do you think this movement is justified? Or do you think it's been created for the similar purpose like Operation Dudula or Patriotic Alliance? And do you support them or you don't support them? Leave your comment in the comment section. It's a wrap for today.